Clearing cherries today with the Hitachi 160 over there. We got a real pretty one right here. We're gonna try to save it, so let's see what we can do. Try to save this thing. Here we go. Let's do it. It's starting to look a little better. Let's carry on. Proper way to prune a tree off at the stalk is cut it a little further out so you don't rip the bark. You got a little piece that ain't gonna rip the bark. Now what happens now, this layer will grow over this cut part and it will heal itself. She's looking pretty good.